Hi there, it's Adrian, and in this video I'll go through how you can show VAT pricing on your courses. So if you go into settings and then payments, you will see the option to enable or disable VAT. And if you enable it, you can set the tax rate. The default one is 20%, and that's going to be the case for most people. And you can enter your VAT number if you're VAT registered. By the way, this is only relevant for folks who are VAT registered and have a VAT number. Otherwise, it will be pointless for you. If you click on the courses then, and let's go into one of the example courses here. When you set your price, you have to set the total amount the customer will be paying. So in this example, the course price is £96. You can actually write in the description the actual breakdown if you need to. So £80, 20% of that is going to be 16. So let me actually, so if you do, yep, it's 16, and that is right, update. You don't need to do that in the description, it's just a nice to have really. You can do that if you want to. So save. If I view this course and go to place a booking, you will see that in the description it says 80 plus 16. This bit is optional, and if you don't do it, it's fine, because what we really need is this bit here to show the VAT calculated based on the ticket price. So this will take actually into account if you apply promo codes or things of that nature, it will still update and show the right VAT amount in here. But that's why it's important to put in this number as the total VAT feed, or total price with the VAT included, as that's going to influence the calculations here as well. So if I enter all my details here and complete and pay for this, pay. Now in the default confirmation email, the details of the booking will go through as well. And as a customer, if you include the login link, or if you just use the default confirmation email, which will look something like this, when they go to look at their booking, they'll have the option to download the receipt. And of course, in that option, it's going to show the VAT as well. If they've paid for the booking, it's going to say there is a receipt. If they haven't paid yet, this will say that it's an invoice, and will give them the details for how to pay. Now, and of course, include the VAT as well. So keep that in mind. In addition, you can go into the system itself here on the admin, and for your own records, if you need to, you can download the receipt, which will do the same thing here. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions or feedback, please use the live chat button at the bottom right to get in touch. All right, thank you so much and take care.